This is going to be one of those videos where I draw something. Wish me luck. Okay, how does the bile get into the gallbladder? I was kind of confused about this for years. I didn't really get it. I imagined something that was not true. So maybe other people imagine the same thing, and I'm going to clarify it. So let's draw a liver. Okay, so here's your rib cage, and then you got this big old liver here. And so there's your liver, there's your left lobe and your right lobe of your liver. And here's your rib cage. Well, this one's dropped down a little low. Here, let's get that liver tucked into your rib cage there. So right here is your liver. You go to the edge of your rib cage, your costal margin, that's a liver. It's huge, and it's all inside your rib cage there. When you take a deep breath, the liver sneaks out a little bit underneath your rib cage, and it rolls forward and drops down. So there's your liver. Where's your gallbladder? Your gallbladder, I'll do it in green because it's got kind of Billy Verden in it. Your gallbladder is living right here, kind of tucked up under the midline here of your costal margin for the most part, and there it is, and it's full of bile. Well, where did the bile come from? Let's put in some duct work. Your liver has two main, they call hepatic ducts, liver ducts, and here's one coming from the left side, and here's one coming from the right side. Now there's your hepatic duct. Your liver is producing the bile. What's bile? It's a combination of salts and pigments and water and also things that your liver excretes. So you eat food, there's toxins in it, the pesticides, it goes to your liver, and your liver's like, I'm not passing that on to the heart, and it breaks it down and puts it in the bile. So the liver excretes, just like you pee and you poo. Also, your liver excretes stuff that your body doesn't need. So it's a combination of things. So bile is both an excretion of the liver to be passed out of the body, and also salts that emulsify fats. You eat a pizza, you need bile to dissolve it so you can digest it. So all that is happening with your bile. So the bile is being produced in your liver and drip, drip, drip. Now, I used to think, well, the gallbladder is right there and it's full of bile. Maybe the liver's got another duct that goes straight in there. It doesn't. Instead, there's something called the cystic duct. So the cystic just refers to the gallbladder. Okay, so the cystic duct comes down this way and joins up with these other ducts into what we call the common bile duct. So the common bile duct goes down to your small intestine, and the bile goes drip, 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 watery bile. I'm going to make the bile blue just for fun. So the bile is going drip, 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 coming out of your liver, heading down to the common bile duct. When it gets here, there's a little valve. It's called the Sphincter of Od. Did you know you had a Sphincter of Od? That a gentleman named Odie had a sphincter in your small intestine? Anyway, Sphincter of Od. If it's open, the bile can pass into the small intestine directly. Okay? If it's closed, if the door is closed here, then what happens to the bile? Well, drip, 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 it fills up. It fills up, and where is it going to go? Back against the gradient that it came on? No, it's going to shunt in this direction, and it's going to get pushed up into this low pressure zone here of the gallbladder. And so, drip, 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 Sphincter of Od is closed, and the bile actually builds up and then shunts back into the low pressure zone of the gallbladder, which miraculously is capable of sucking the water out of the watery bile, and it makes it more concentrated. The more water that it draws from it, it creates a kind of a vacuum of the bile into it by drawing the water out, and you end up with a concentrated substance, the concentrated bile that lives in the gallbladder. And when it comes time, when that pizza's coming down the road, woohoo, here comes pizza, the gallbladder's like, and it's not up. It squirts out that syrupy bile and to emulsify the fats. So that is how bile gets into the gallbladder. And then when the Sphincter of Od opens, both of them go whoosh, whoosh, and they eat your pizza. So that's the story. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to study more with me, go to gilhedley.com. There's a ton of stuff there. Enjoy. Do you like it?
That was a great facial expression.
It's kind of a nice drawing, huh? Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I'll make that the
thumbnail.
thumbnail.